Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to log out from Facebook Messenger app on Android. Okay, so this is my Android device and I have a stock Android version 9.0, that is Pie, installed on this. Okay, and you can see I'm logged into my Facebook Messenger account, and you can see there is no any option to log out. Even if I tap on my profile icon at the top left, so let me tap on this. Okay, you can see there is no any option to log out over here. Okay, so how we can log out from Facebook Messenger app on Android, I'm going to show you in this tutorial. Okay, so let me come out from this app. You can also close this. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to find the settings app on your phone. Okay, so just find the settings app. So here is my settings app, so just tap on this. After finding that, you can see it's opened. And guys, after that you have to find this apps and notifications. Okay, in some phones it is apps only or application manager. Okay, and if you are using Redmi phones, then you have installed apps. Okay, so just find this apps and notifications, or the options that you have. Okay, so let me tap on this apps and notifications. You can see it's opened. So after that guys, you have to tap on your all apps. You can see I have this see all 75 apps, so I have 75 apps installed, so it's showing over here. You might have more or less. Okay, so let me tap on this. So it's opening and you can see I have this all apps. Okay, selected over here. So just find the Facebook Messenger app over here. Okay, so let me find the Messenger app. So here is my Messenger app. Let me tap on this. After tapping on this, it's opened. And after that guys, you have to tap on this storage. So let me tap on this storage, and here we have the clear storage. Okay, so you have to tap on this clear storage. So let me tap on this, and here we have the pop-up. This application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. Okay, so just read this, and if you agree, just tap on this OK link. So let me tap on this OK link, and it's done guys. So after that you can close this settings also. So let me close this. Okay, and after that guys, you have to find your Messenger app. So let me find mine. Okay, so here is my Messenger app. Let me tap on this. It's opening, so we need to wait. And you can see guys, I'm logged out of my Facebook Messenger app. Okay, and here I have this option, continue as. This is my name. Okay, so if I tap on this, I will be able to log into my Messenger account. Okay, so here I have another option, this isn't me. So by using this feature, my friends can use this Messenger app on my phone. So if I tap on this isn't me, you can see they can provide their phone number or email and password, and they can log into their Messenger account. Okay, so let me go back. And suppose guys, if you want to remove this also, login this button, so I'm gonna show you. So let me close this Messenger. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to find the settings app on your phone. So let me find mine. Okay, so here is my settings app. After finding that, just tap on this to open this. Okay, it's opened. And after that guys, you have to find the accounts option over here. So here is my accounts option. So after finding that, just tap on this to open it. So let me tap on this. You can see it's opening. And after that guys, you have to find the Messenger app over here. Okay, so here is my Messenger app. After finding that, just tap on this to open it. So let me tap on this Messenger. Okay, and here I have this option, remove account. So in order to remove that, just tap on this remove account, this button. So let me tap on this remove account, and here I have this pop-up, remove account. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. Okay, so read this. If you agree, just tap on this remove account, this link. So let me tap on this remove account link, and it's removed guys. Okay, so let me close this settings app. Okay, and let me open the messenger. So let me open my messenger. So here is my messenger app. After finding that, just tap on this to open it. So let me tap on this. You can see it's opening, and you can see, guys, that option is removed, and we are now completely logged out from our Facebook Messenger app on Android. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.